In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create video overviews in NotebookLM using the sources you've added to a notebook. To get started, open NotebookLM and go into the notebook you want to work with. Before you can generate a video, make sure the notebook has at least one source added. This can be a PDF, website, YouTube video, Google Doc, or another supported source. NotebookLM uses this source material to build the overview. So it's important that the information you want covered is already available here. Once your source is ready, look over to the Studio panel on the right-hand side. This is where NotebookLM lets you create different types of content from your sources. Quick side note, for more practical NotebookLM tutorials, be sure to subscribe to Ecom Control. In the Studio panel, find Video Overview and click it. This opens a smaller configuration window where you can customize the video before generating it. First, choose the format you want to use, explainer or short. The explainer format gives you more customization options, while short is designed for a more concise video. If you selected explainer, choose the language you want the video to be in. Language selection isn't available for the short format. Next, if your notebook contains multiple sources, open the sources dropdown. Here you can choose whether the video should use all of your notebook sources or focus only on a specific one. If you make any changes in this section, click Confirm to apply them. You can also choose a visual style for the video when using the explainer format. Again, this option isn't available for shorts. Then, use the What should the video focus on field to guide the overview toward a specific topic, angle, or key takeaway. If you're not sure what to enter, you can also select one of NotebookLM's suggested AI options. When everything looks right, click Generate. NotebookLM will now show a generating video overview status in the bottom right panel. Generation can take a little time, so wait for it to finish. And that's it. You've successfully created a video overview in NotebookLM